Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Steph Taylor Jackson, and I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger based in Dallas, Texas. And today I'm going to walk you through an easy, soft, glam holiday makeup look. So let's dive right in. I've already cleaned my face, so right now I am moisturizing my skin with a Skin Fixed moisturizer, followed by my everyday primer. Once I'm moisturized and have my primer on, I'm ready to move on to foundation. Today we're playing with Too Faced Born This Way in shade Chestnut. I'm also adding some L'Oreal Glow Drops in for some fun because it's a holiday makeup look and I think it will look really nice. We're moving right into my bake powder, and today we're using Huda Beauty. I always give it a little pat just to move some product up to the top, and then from there I use the same beauty blender and pat it under my T-zone. So my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and usually right above my upper lip. I wait about 5 to 10 minutes and then brush off that product with my brush set. Usually use the same highlighter brush that I'll use later on in this video. And now it's time to bronze. So I use my Bobbi Brown bronzer and roll that just right on my cheekbones to create a nice depth effect. I also add bronzer right on the sides of my nose, sometimes on my forehead, chin, and this just helps shape your face. All right, looking good, girl. Now it's time for eyeshadow. The palette I'm using today is called Shape Your Moneymaker by Tarte Cosmetics. Before starting on my lids, I prep by putting a little bit of concealer just right on my eyelid, followed by a translucent powder by CoverFX. First up, I use the shade Tone Up, which goes right on my eyelid. Next is Snatched, which goes right in the corners of my eye, and I also put a little bit just right under the eye as well, in the corners by my nose. Lastly, I bring it all together with the shade Reps, which goes right in the crease of my eye to create a nice shadow effect. You can really go in any order. I've done this eye look a few times and have tried it multiple different ways, and it always turns out really nice with these color combos. Next up, it's time to put a little eyeliner on. I love this Bobbi Brown eyeliner, and if you followed me for a while, then you know that I love putting eyeliner on my lash line. Once my eyeliner is on, it's time to play with mascara. Today I'm using Almay, and I'll be honest, I love their mascaras. When the eyes are set, now it's time to highlight. The palette is called the Everglow palette by Jade Cosmetics. I use the color Bromine on my cheeks, and then highlight my nose with the color Copper. Yes, queen! We'll wrap up today's look with a gorgeous red lip that is perfect for the holiday season. The shade is called Lady Balls, which I think is just so bold and so fabulous, just like this color. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this easy holiday makeup look. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow Steph Taylor Jackson for more content just like this.